Hello, in this short video I'm going to talk about the webinar that we're going to run, jewelry photography for e-commerce, basically jewelry on a white background. We received so many responses, thank you for providing such, if you were one of those who responded. And I'm going to answer your questions. So, first of all, why to join, what the main reason, what the difference between the webinar and the course? First of all, the webinar will have the huge interactive part, meaning this is the great opportunity for you to ask me about particular questions that you may have about jewelry photography. It may be, for example, your gear. You may have something or you may not have something and thinking that you have to buy to do jewelry photography, or you're not sure. This is the right place to ask, because I'm going to spend, like I said, it can be up to 3 hours. I will spend as much time as needed to have all questions answered. The second thing and the second difference is, on a webinar it won't be any post-production, okay? On the course it will be included. On a webinar there is no post-production. I'll be doing things on fly, just showing you how much you can do in the camera with all the lighting techniques and everything. And actually I'm going to use as simple as possible light modifiers. So nothing really fancy. I developed very interesting techniques how to do with just 2 diffusers, no, nothing bent, just flat diffusers and 2 or 3 lights. It's an awesome technique, and I want to show it to you and want to answer all your questions. Then one of the questions was, if you cannot attend it, will you have access or download, or what is going on after the webinar is gone? Yes, you will have unlimited lifetime access, as we have for every course. On Photigy you will have access to the recording of the webinar. And like I mentioned on the email, that if you decided later to buy the course, the webinar will be free for you, because we'll give you the coupon that will equal to the amount, coupon for the course that will be equal for the amount you paid for the webinar. So basically, for those of you who want to buy the course, webinar is free. Okay, I hope I answered your questions. If not, you can reply on email, on this email, and we'll answer it for you. And see you on the webinar.